Imagine this. Nearly 70% of your immune system is found in your gut, and studies show that the trillions of microbes living there don't just help you digest food. They also play a major role in shaping your mood, your energy levels, and even how well you sleep. Surprising, right? It turns out that your gut is much more than just a digestive organ. It's a powerhouse that influences almost every aspect of your well-being. Gut health isn't just a trending topic. It's a foundation of good health that many of us overlook. The gut, also known as the gastrointestinal tract, is home to a diverse community of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms collectively called the gut microbiome. This tiny ecosystem works behind the scenes, supporting your digestion, protecting you from illness, and even affecting your brain through what's known as the gut-brain axis. When your gut is in balance, you feel energized, focused, and resilient. But when things go wrong, the effects can ripple throughout your entire body and mind. Let's talk about some of the gut health challenges people face today. For many, digestive issues like bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea become such a regular part of life that they almost seem normal. But these symptoms are often signals from your body that something isn't quite right. Food intolerances, such as lactose or gluten sensitivity, can leave you feeling sluggish, foggy, or uncomfortable after meals. Beyond digestion, poor gut health can show up as fatigue, frequent illnesses, skin problems, and even mood swings or anxiety. It's easy to dismiss these issues as unrelated, but the truth is, they often share a common root in the gut. So, what's really happening inside your gut? At the core of gut health lies your gut microbiome, a unique mix of bacteria and other microbes that influence everything from how you digest food to how your immune system responds to threats. These microbes help break down complex carbohydrates, synthesize essential vitamins, and produce short-chain fatty acids that fuel the cells lining your gut. But that's just the beginning. The gut communicates with the brain through a network of nerves, hormones, and chemical messengers, creating what scientists call the gut-brain axis. This connection explains why you might feel butterflies in your stomach before a big event or lose your appetite when you're stressed. Maintaining a balanced microbiome is crucial. An imbalance, known as dysbiosis, can be triggered by factors like a poor diet, chronic stress, lack of sleep, or overuse of antibiotics. When harmful bacteria outnumber the beneficial ones, it can lead to inflammation, a weakened immune response, and increased risk of chronic diseases. The foods you eat play a central role. Diets high in processed foods, added sugars, and unhealthy fats can feed the wrong types of bacteria, while fiber-rich plant foods nourish the beneficial microbes that keep your gut healthy. The good news? You have the power to reshape your gut health, starting with everyday choices. Here are some practical steps you can take to support a thriving gut microbiome. First, focus on adding more fiber to your meals. Whole grains, beans, lentils, fruits, and vegetables are packed with dietary fiber that feeds your good gut bacteria, helping them flourish. Aim to eat a rainbow of plant-based foods every week to expose your microbiome to a diverse range of nutrients and fibers. Next, consider incorporating fermented foods into your diet. Foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha are rich in probiotics, live beneficial bacteria that can help restore balance to your gut. Even a small serving each day can make a difference. Don't underestimate the impact of hydration. Drinking plenty of water supports healthy digestion and helps your body flush out toxins. Make it a habit to carry a water bottle with you and take regular sips throughout the day. Be mindful of antibiotics. While they're sometimes necessary to fight infection, antibiotics can also wipe out both bad and good bacteria in your gut. If you need to take them, talk to your healthcare provider about strategies to support your gut, such as taking probiotics during and after your treatment. Managing stress is another key factor. Chronic stress can disrupt the delicate balance of your gut microbiome and impair digestion. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or gentle exercise to help keep your gut and your mind calm and balanced. Sleep is just as important for your gut as it is for your brain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to allow your body and your microbiome to recover and regenerate. One of the most effective lifestyle changes for gut health is adopting a Mediterranean-style diet. This way of eating is rich in vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, seeds, whole grains, olive oil, and lean proteins like fish and poultry. Research shows that people who follow this diet not only have more diverse gut bacteria, but also lower rates of inflammation, better heart health, and improved mood. By making small shifts, like swapping processed snacks for fresh fruit, or choosing whole grains over refined ones, you'll be laying the groundwork for a healthier gut and a healthier you. Let's recap the essentials. Your gut is more than just a place to digest food. It's a central hub that influences your immunity, your mental health, and your overall vitality. Common issues like digestive discomfort, food intolerances, and low energy are often signs that your gut needs some care. By understanding the role of your gut microbiome and making mindful choices about your diet, stress levels, and sleep, you can take charge of your gut health and transform how you feel every day. Remember, nurturing your gut isn't about quick fixes or drastic changes. It's about building habits that support your body's natural balance, one step at a time. The benefits reach far beyond digestion. They impact your mood, your resilience against illness, and your long-term health. If you found these insights helpful and want to learn more about how to take charge of your health from the inside out, be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on practical tips and the latest science. Your journey to better gut health starts today, one healthy choice at a time.